Containers let you link multiple package sizes to a single base product in Corona. For example, you could have a single beer bottle, 6-pack, 12-pack, or even a 24-pack, all tied to the same product within Corona. This allows you to have a single amount for your quantity on hand when it comes to a specific beer or specific item. Let me show you how it works. In the Corona system, if I were to scan this item, it will prompt me with the amounts this product is available at. This is especially useful for items that have the same barcode across multiple different package quantities, such as 12-pack, 6-pack, what have you. Because the system's not going to know automatically what barcode, which version of that barcode you're scanning if all the barcodes say the same exact number. So this will allow you to overcome that difficulty. As you see here on this menu, it has the 3 different available options that you can select, and it also has the designated pricing that you can assign on the Chrome Studio. But we'll go over that in a little bit. So I can select this single. If I were to scan again, maybe they're buying a single and just buying one of each. 12-pack, 6-pack, what have you. So scan this one, and we'll do a 6-pack as well. So it'll prompt you for every time you try to add this product to your receipt. Now that we've demonstrated what it looks like, let's show you how to set it up. We'll first want to go into the Chrome Studio. Our first step is we're going to want to create what's called a container product. So I'm going to go ahead and select new. And let's say I'm going to add a new container product. As you saw in the demonstration, I already have an option for 6-pack and 12-pack on my Corona beer, but I don't have an option for 18-pack. So let's add that option. I'll just move it. Beer commodity group, which is what my general store I'm at. We'll just do non-taxable. And the container product is going to be fairly simple. It's just going to need the bare necessities as well as a container capacity on site. So in this container capacity section, I will put in 18 and then hit save. Now, what this container product allows me to do is whenever I go into a product that I want to sell in a specific container amount, we'll select it. And whenever we try to add a container amount to that product, so that way it prompts on the point of sale, we'll want to hit add. And then, as you see here, if I type in 18, I have my 18 packages created. Confirm that one, or add the description if you like. And then now I can add the price. So here we'll add whatever price we wish to charge for this 18 pack. Maybe $26.99. Confirmed. Okay. So now if we save here and try it on our point of sale, we'll get an additional option for an 18 pack. Now, that container product we created will allow for the system to know that 18 bottles should be removed from quantity on hand whenever that option is selected for this Corona beer product. One other important thing we need to do before we're getting it working is we'll want to change one specific setting on the Corona Studio in reference to our point of sale. We can go to sales and points of sale, and then we'll select the point of sale that we want to activate for container mode. So I'll double click this one here. Towards the bottom of this section called container selection mode. We want to make sure this is on enable and user selection. This is what will prompt them for the quantities when you scan that product, and they'll be able to select it and charge the correct price, and it will function as you saw in the demonstration. Once you've followed all these steps, you're ready to test it at your point of sale. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, feel free to send us an email or give us a call at our support center, or check out our manual page in reference to this and many other different topics. All this will be listed down in the description below.